Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to eighth grade. My name is Mr. Guy, and I am going to be your math teacher this year. I just want to do a brief introduction of myself so that you know what I look like to begin with, and you kind of get some expectations for what to expect this year. Obviously, it's going to be a little bit different than normal. Those of you who are at home doing distance learning, you're going to see sort of a breakdown over the next couple days about what that's going to look like every day and what some of the expectations are. Really, what I just want to get across to you guys is that as long as you are working as hard as you can and you are putting in your full effort, you should be fine. You're going to see on this page where I have this video posted, you should see a list of ways to communicate with me. You're going to see my email address. Please make sure that you have that saved somewhere so you know where to email me that I can see it. You're also going to see some scheduled times that you can Zoom with me, that we're going to have some like Zoom office hours. You can come and ask questions. And I really encourage you all to make sure that you are part of that and you do come and ask me questions and get involved with that. I'm going to be having a Zoom session today at 1:50. At 1:50, and I would encourage all of you who are doing the distance learning to please join that Zoom session. You'll find the link to the Zoom at the bottom of this Monday lesson page. You'll see it right there at the bottom. So please come and join that. And that's the way just to get any of your questions answered about the beginning of the year, just to meet me, ask me about myself, any questions you have about the math biography assignment you're going to see for today, anything that you have about any of that stuff, please come today, just so I can get to know you as well and I can kind of see who you all are who are doing the distance learning. But anyway, just to recap, my name is Mr. Guy. Welcome to eighth grade. It's going to be a great year. We're going to figure out a whole lot of stuff, and it should be, hopefully, a little bit of fun, at least for those of you who like math. So let's have a great time, and I hope to see you guys today at 1:50.